what to do with those little crummy leftover liver bits at the bottom of the packet. This is what I do for Triton. So I've got these ice trays. Well, only one left. They're a bit cheap, so you have to like check and make sure nothing's leaking. This one looks good. Filled it up with a little bit of water, and I'm gonna sprinkle in some of these. I do not have my tripod set up, so just trust me that that's what's happening. All right, so I've put all the dusty bits in. I'm just gonna top them up a little bit more. And then I'll like, so it's hard to film and hold everything at the same time and not spill stuff. But yeah, then I'm gonna get like a spoon and just sort of scrape the last little bits in, make some of it go under the water. And then in the morning, you know, it'll hopefully soak up a bit of the liver. And we'll see how that goes. Where's me spoon? I know, I should just like edit this stuff out and make this a bit more snappy, but that would not quite be what my channel is like. All right, I need to concentrate, hang on. All right, it's looking good. Let's see. I think you can see some of the color already leaching into the water from the liver bits. Now I'm gonna put some cling wrap over it. Hey, sweetie. Oh, he was looking at me a moment ago. Yeah, I'm making you some little ice sticks. Right, I'm gonna put these in the freezer where all the good stuff lives, and we'll see what it's like in the morning. All right, here we are, all frozen. I just took the plastic off. I'm just gonna tap some of the excess ice. A bit hard to do with, yeah, let's see. So just tap some of that into the sink. Got this little container I keep in the freezer. I made other ice sticks, and sometimes there's like little bits of, you know, fragments of ice. I just put it in a cow hoof, and he'll enjoy that a bit later. So I just sort of like tip them out into that. Anyway, no, let's have a look at these and how they are going. Let's see, I'm just trying to stand up. So I really should get a tripod, but I'm gonna have a tripod. I should actually use it. So I'm just gonna give it like a bit of a twist to release things. Just pop them out. There you go. And you see it's sort of turned liver color-ish. Sort of depends how much goes in there. And then he will enjoy that, won't you? Yes. Oh, yum, yum. Oh boy. All right, I'm gonna pop the rest out. And there we go, we've got a bunch of liver ice sticks. So we're not wasting those liver bits, and especially as a snow dog, he loves it. And then yeah, I've got other ones. This one is bone broth with a bit of blueberry in it. And then this one was like leftover treats and stuff. And then I've also made like yogurt sticks. You can do all kinds of stuff with this. Yeah, pretty cheap. And then to wash them off, I just usually do hot water, or if it's really bad, I'll chuck it in the dishwasher. And it's good to go until it breaks. And if it breaks, I'll just get another one because it didn't cost much. Yay for, I don't know, probably made in China. Whatever. I'm gonna heat up the water. The main downside is like my thumbs sometimes get a bit cold trying to push them all out. And so I have to warm my hands up in the warm water so that I can feel my thumbs again, because I'm not fluffy like he is. Like he's like, please sir, I want some more. Yeah, Mr. Triton, I will give you, did you finish it all? You finish it all? Yeah? Okay, now you can have this one with all the extra bits. But come over here because I need to open the freezer again to put everything away. Ready? Go! Yay! Outro, blah, blah, blah. Pretending to be a real YouTuber. Like and share and subscribe. And actually, if you subscribe, it's just more chaos. So I wouldn't necessarily recommend it. Oh dear. Yeah, these are the yogurt ones, which he quite likes as well. Greek yogurt, the one with the least sugar, was the lactose-free ones. I put a bit of carrot in there as well, and they're starting to stick together a little bit. Mr. Triton, you want a yogurt stick? Come over here. Triton, ready? Go! Ah, yogurt stick. So that's like good for probiotics and stuff. But also just tasty. And I just give him one that freezes crying because I've left it open too long. I'm sorry. There you go. Yeah, yum yum. Tasty, aren't you? The most spoiled little kid. I only give him 1 or like 1.5 yogurt sticks a day though. I don't want to give him too much. Yeah, yum yum. Does make a bit of a mess if you don't clean it all up. Alright. Looking for more. Because he always is. And then he uses his cute little face to manipulate people into giving him what he wants. Don't you? Good boy.